At Upperline, we're giving kids the tools they need to be successful in the real world. We're teaching them code, and from there, they could go anywhere.
Code is really taking over the world. It's everywhere. It's such a fundamental skill, regardless of whether you want to be a doctor, a lawyer, a scientist, a business person.
It's about finding ways to come up with innovative solutions to problems that our kids are going to have to deal with when they grow up.
It's about that desire to grow, to keep learning.
It's about creativity, what makes them come alive. If you can teach yourself computer programming, you can teach yourself anything. That kind of skill is applicable to anything you want to get into the rest of your life.
Got him.
Upperline is such an amazing place. Coming into it, I didn't really know quite what to expect. I've taken one day of this course and look, I actually made something.
It's really astonishing. You're creating an app and you can actually see what it does. You actually have it in your hands and you can play with it.
There's a lot of collaboration, which I love, especially that I made a lot of great friends here, and my teachers are very supportive, and they don't just give you the answers, they really make you think and really makes you apply yourself to the skills that you've just learned.
Nowadays, knowledge is less about knowing the information and more about using the information. That's why we work with computer science teachers who've worked at places like Google or the Wall Street Journal.
We have a demo day. They show some of their code, some of the back end. They talk about what was difficult, what they struggled with. And what I really like about that process is that it's very real to life.
We sometimes want to have them detached from the digital world to get them out of their chairs. We get them playing silly games. That's a catalyst for finding out a little bit more about each other, so when they do sit next to each other again, the collaboration is more seamless.
I feel like having a knowledge of programming really changes your view on the world. A big part of coding is being able to interpret problems and being able to solve them, and just having that outlook on the world, it really helps when looking at world issues. I want to be able to create whatever I can. I want to be able to create everything.